Okay, so here we're just going to do a quick little run through about this bank account program. So let's just go right into it. So the name, just give it a second, it's going to buffer up. Okay, so for the name, we have George. George is going to have 120 and 55 cents. Here we have account holder George, account number balance, account balance, which is 120.55. The account number by default was 0. Here we have our options here. So let's just quickly go for one, display account information. Here's the account information. It's all good. Let's deposit some money. Let's deposit, say 50 and 5 cents. So we have our new balance of 170.60. Just to make sure all that's accurate. It is. Let's withdraw some money. Choose 3. We can withdraw, let's say, 150. Okay, that should leave us with 70.10, which is correct. We'll just display everything again just to make sure it's all accurate. So yeah, everything looks good here with the program. Everything's working. And let's just quit the program, the 0, and we're exited. Okay, great. Looks like that's everything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.